Holy guacamole. No. Anyway, thanks for the 2,000 subscribers, guys. I did not expect to hit 2K, well, this soon. Next milestone is obviously 3,000 by next year, so hopefully we can hit that. But I just want to thank you guys because it means a lot to me. And, you know, for me pushing on this platform, I'm trying to make it as big as my other platforms. And hopefully we can get there, you know. It means a lot to me. What I do make off this channel, I try to put a little into the car, but mostly goes towards my kids. I like to spoil my kids. It's just, you know, they're my babies. Anyway, I'm going to try and pick a giveaway winner this coming weekend. I do have a vacation coming up, which is this coming weekend. We're taking the family out. We're going to go swimming and do a bunch of stuff, so we're going to travel a little bit. So I'm hoping by this coming weekend, I'm going to pick a winner, and by next week, we can ship that box out, which is a detailing kit from Deluxe Car Care. I'll leave that right down here. And, yeah, hopefully whoever wins, I hope you like the products. Actually, I know you're going to love them because they actually work. And, yeah, so we'll check that out. Today's video is a short. Let's get into this little update. All right, remember before we talked about that leaf? Actually, we didn't. We talked about the splash guard underneath the front bumper, which I finally got in the mail. So we got it right here. We're going to be installing this, which will then also connect onto the front like clip here that goes underneath the Roush bumper. Put those bolts together. I'm going to do the video on doing that and also showing you a story time of maybe why I actually bought this 3-valve. You know, something like that. But again, guys, thanks for the 2K subs. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully we can climb that up, hit the 3K mark, and go on from there. I appreciate it. But next week, video coming soon.